So how do you insert a picture in Google Docs on your Android phone? So let me get started. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So of course, the first step is to make sure you have the app. So if you do not, just go to the Play Store and make sure you install it. It shouldn't take too long because it's not like a huge app and you already have like the Google accounts set up on your phone most likely. So the setup process is going to be very smooth, right? So as you can see, once it gets installed, I can tap on open. As I said, I don't have to sign in or anything as I already get to my Google Docs and I can just tap on the plus button to create a new one. So this is what we're about to do. You can see we have like one project which we are working with. We can type in like the hello as the title, whatever. And in order to insert a picture, what you need to do is to click on the plus button at the top, and in here you can insert multiple different things like the link, comment, image, table, and so on. And if you click on image, it's going to expand to like show you 3 more options. So you can insert image from web, camera, or your photos. So it depends on what you want. For most people, I believe they want to click the from photos, which pulls up the gallery, and you can insert image, which you have saved in your photos library, right? So it might be any of those things, like, I don't know, this picture. Click on a done, and it is now part of the Google document. So you can obviously tap on it and make some changes to it. Like you can obviously tap on image options and you can format it in a different way. Like you can like move it around and like resize it and so on. And yeah, you can also leave the margins and you can kind of like play around with it and format it a little bit more, but that's essentially it. That's how you can add it to the document. You can see it's quite large, but yeah, it is up to you to manage it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.